welcome to my channel. I'm Ada. If you've been here before, welcome back, and if you're new, thank you so much for joining us. Whew. I may have slightly lower energy today, just because I recently had surgery, so it's a little hard to talk very loud, but my shop Miss 8 came in, so I wanted to share it with you guys. So I'm in a different area because this is like the only area where I could kind of sit comfortably to film. So let's get to opening this package from Shop Miss A. So here it is outside of the pink bag, and then just a receipt of what I got. And I do apologize for the lighting not being like, you know, probably that good. Like I said, I'm in another part of my house where I don't typically film at. Alright. So there it all is, nice and wrapped up, and lots of bubble wrap. So I'm just going to pull the items out of the top and then just show you guys them as I pull them out. Alright, I'm so excited for this one. So the first thing I pull out is this. It is the full set. I believe it's 7. Yeah. It's the full 7-piece set of the essential oils that Shop Miss A just released. And I'll take these out and show them to you. And I actually got the whole 7 pieces because to me it made more sense to get the 7 pieces because it was cheaper. So you have positivity, sleep, which I need an abundance of right now. Okay, so then we have Tranquil, which is that one. Ooh, we have energy, which I'm currently lacking. Like I wanna be like energetic and everything right now, but ooh, just like moving or breathing hurts. So happy. Got happy. And in the description box I will list what each of these scents are, because I know that they're mixed essential oil blends. This one is Stress. Clarity. The last one is Clarity. Okay, so I got this. Let me take it out of here. That was this really pretty rosary, and I got it to hang it in my car. I don't know, I like things like this in my car. And it's got, you know, that. I believe this is the one with St. Mary on it. But it was really pretty, and it was only $1. So I got this to hang from my rearview mirror, even though it is very illegal to hang things from your rearview mirror. But that's okay, because I'm going to do it anyways. So next I got more of these hair masks that Shop Miss A has for $1. I really like them. And this time I got the jojoba oil, which is for reducing hair loss. I got this peppermint oil one, which is for deep cleansing and cooling the scalp, which I definitely need right about now. Ooh. I got this one to try on my daughter's hair. It is the argan oil, and it helps tame and prevent frizz. So since she has like really curly hair, I figured this would be worth a try for only $1. Then I got this olive oil one, which says it helps repair dry split ends. So I got that one. I got another of the peppermint cooling ones. Ooh. If y'all know me, you know that I like my face masks, so this time I got some of these oxygen oatmeal bubble masks, and this one is a 2-part, like it's 2 treatments in one. Then I got the peach one because I like peaches, so why not? Then I got this 3-part, it's like a 3-step mask, and it says it's for pore refining deep hydration. And it's got like those. Step 1 is like pore cleansing. I think step 2 is the pore refining facial mask. And then you have step 3, which is the final step after you take the mask off. And then I got another one of these 2-step hydrogel masks, because I really liked this one last time because it made my skin feel so soft afterwards that I wanted to get another one. And this one's actually different than the one I got last time, because this one is vitamin C, whereas the one I got last time was, I believe, collagen. So I got this one this time. Oh, I got this hairband. Doesn't it look cute? I got this hairband. I just needed a cute little hairband, so I got this one. Alright. Okay. So the last few things I got. So I got this coconut lip mask, and it is by Beauty Treats, and it says it is a hydrating lip balm. And I believe this one, I think this one's the one that you just put on like before you go to sleep. So I'm like, that's definitely for me, because I like wearing, you know, lip products to bed so that when I wake up my lips are nice and moisturized and hydrated. And then this other, so then the next thing I got was another rosary for my car. It looks like that, and this is actually the little container that it comes in, which is really cute. Having some difficulties with this chair, getting comfortable. But I got this one, which I dropped the piece on the floor. I didn't know that this one came in a container, but if you guys have seen any of my other videos, you know that I frequently wear pearl earrings. Sometimes I'll wear like my pearl necklace. I like pearls. I think they're so pretty. And this thing is tangled. We're having difficulties over here. I got it. Now, I wanted the gold one, honestly, but this one is fine too. But I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but it's got the little, I believe it's St. Mary right there praying, but it's got the little, you know, the cross down here. And then I thought it was really pretty because it had, you know, the kind of pearl, the pearl accents. So I thought it would look really pretty hanging in my car. And the last 2 things I got, I'm super excited for, because as soon as I saw on Instagram that they came out with new bubble bar and bath bomb scents, I'm like, I have to go order right now. And that's what I did. And luckily they had the $1 shipping, which was awesome. Ooh. So this one is their new strawberry bubble bar. Nothing, it's gonna focus. So that's what that looks like. It's just kind of like a pink and white color. And then this other one, this other one is their mango. I don't know why they put it in like a purple or blue. I don't know, but it is mango. So yeah, I got the mango and I got the strawberry. I do plan to order more, but at the time, I didn't want to order too much because I knew I wouldn't be able to use it when I got home from surgery. Because I knew I wouldn't be able to use it when I got home from surgery anyways. So, I want to smell this one. I want to smell this one because I literally bought all 7 of these for this one because I want to put it in my car. So then when people get in my car and they're like, oh, what's that smell? I can be like, that's the smell of positivity. Doesn't smell too bad. Ooh. I hope you guys like this video. I do apologize for the low energy and the low tone in my voice and the bad lighting. But I did just have surgery a couple days ago, so I'm still recovering from that. But I definitely want to share this with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe before you go so you don't miss it next time I upload a video. Bye guys.